We're gonna unpack the Huion Kamvas Pro 16. This seems to be the tablet. There's a mask here that you have to peel off. This is just some protection. It's the back of it. You have a paper here. It comes with one of those Huion gloves. We got a fake CD which just says where the drivers are at. Quick start guide. We can put these stickers on to set shortcuts and stuff like that. Then we have a screen wiper. Here's a pencil. And this pencil is without batteries, so you don't have to put batteries in here. Then we have the adapter. It comes with a cable holder. This side goes into Huion tablet and this side go into your computer. Then here we have a pen holder, but also if your pencil breaks, you can open this. If you can find out how. And there's new pencil dots in there, so if the pencil dots break, there's multiple in here. Then we have this box. Which is the box for the power supply. I'm in Europe, so it has a European power supply, but for you this will be an American plug. And then we will see the rest is empty. We have the glove, we have the tablet, power supply, we got a pencil holder, and we got the cable to attach it to your PC. And we got this little wipe to wipe your PC, stickers, download driver and manual, and we got the manual here.